Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mahda Almiza Afnes. I'm from Ekonomi Syariah C. Now I will discuss about my article. The title is Development of Islamic Banking in Indonesia. What is a bank? Article 1 of Indonesian Law of Syariah Banking number 21 of 2008, it is stated that a bank is a business entity that collects public funds in the form of saving and distributes them to the public in the form of credit or other form in order to increase the living rates of the people at large. There are two types of bank, namely conventional bank and Islamic bank. Conventional bank is a bank that runs a conventional business system whose activities are to provide services in payment based on established procedure and regulation. Meanwhile, Islamic bank is the banking system which activities are based on or refer to Islamic law. Here we will discuss about 5 topics. There is number 1, where was the first Islamic bank established? The first private Islamic bank was the Dubai Islamic Bank, which was founded in 1975 by a group of Muslim businessmen from various countries. In 1977, two Islamic banks were established under the name Faisal Islamic Bank in Egypt and Sudan. And in the same year, the Kuwait government established the Kuwait Finance House. Internationally, the development of Islamic banking was first initiated by Egypt. Number 2, how was the beginning of Islamic Bank? At the season of foreign minister of the Organization of Islamic Conference, or OIC, countries in Karachi, Pakistan in December 1970, Egypt submitted a proposal in the form of a study on the establishment of the International Islamic Bank for Trade and Development, and a proposal for the establishment of the Federation of Islamic Bank. The essence of the proposal putting forward in the proposal was that the interest-based financial system should be replaced by a cooperative system with a profit and loss sharing scheme. Finally, the Islamic Development Bank, or IDB, was formed in October 1975, which consists of 22 founding Islamic countries. This bank provides financial assistance for the development of its member countries, help them to establish Islamic bank in their respective countries, and plays an important role in research in Islamic economies, banking, and finance. Now, the bank based in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia has more than 56 member countries. Number 3, how was the beginning of Islamic Bank in Indonesia? The initiative to establish an Indonesian Islamic Bank was initiated in 1980 through discussion on the theme of Islamic banks as a pillar of Islamic economy. In 1990, the Indonesian Ulama Council, or MUI, formed a working group to establish an Indonesia Bank in Indonesia. On 18 until 20 August 1990, the Indonesian Ulama Council, or MUI, held a bank and banking interest workshop in Sarwa, Bogor, West Java. The result of the working were then discussed in greater depth at the 5 MUI National Deliberation in Jakarta, 22 until 25 August 1990, which result in the mandate for the establishment of a working group for the establishment of an Islamic bank in Indonesia. As a result of the work of the MUI banking team, the first Islamic bank in Indonesia was established, namely PT Bank Muamalat Indonesia, or BMY, which according to its date of incorporation was established on November 1, 1991. At the beginning of its operation, the existence of Islamic Bank had not received optimal attention in the national banking sector. At that time, the legal basis for bank cooperation using the Sharia system was only accommodated in one of the paragraphs concerning bank with a profit-sharing system. In Law Number 7 of 1992, without detail on the basis of Sharia law and the types of business that are allowed. In 1998, the government and the People's Representative Council made improvement, which explicitly explained that there are two banking systems in the country, namely the conventional banking system and the Islamic banking system. The opportunity was welcomed warmly by the banking community, which was marked by the establishment of several other Islamic banks, namely Bank Syariah Mandiri, Bank Muamalat, and others. Number 4, how is the development of Islamic banking in this era? In February 2021, the state-owned Islamic banking officially merged, namely Bank Syariah Mandiri, BRI Syariah, and BNI Syariah are now Bank Syariah Indonesia or BSI. The merger of Islamic Bank is part of the government's effort and commitment in advancing the Islamic economy as a new pillar of national economic strength, which will also in the long term push Indonesia as a global center of Islamic finance. In this era, Islamic bank can be said to be rapidly growing and the number of devotees is increasing. Especially now, Islamic bank already have only features such as mobile banking, internet banking, online service, and many more. And the last conclusion. The conclusion is Islamic banks are banks which based on Islamic principles so that in their activities they greatly minimize usury. Islamic bank from the beginning was found until now took us a long time. Until now, Islamic banks are growing rapidly and are increasingly in demand by the people of Indonesia. And I become the one who used the service of the Islamic bank. This is my references. And as I say, thank you very much for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.